In today's video, I will show you how to upgrade your current Google Analytics to Google Analytics for Properties. This is new versions which were released about 3-4 weeks ago. So stick around and I will show you how to do that. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is CEO Henic for now, and I'm CEO and founder of Discover My Business. We have been running Google Ads for companies for almost 7 years. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So let's go to your or ours Google Analytics. Go to the bottom left, click admin, then click upgrade to GA4. So GA4 will allow you to have a lot of more features. You can click learn more, go to this page and get a lot of information about this new version of Google Analytics. If you guys new to Google Analytics, just go and create a new account. So let's go to, I need to create new Google Analytics, or I want to connect to an existing Google Analytics for properties. In our case, since we don't have anything, as you see, it's not connected, we will click Get Started, Enable, Create Property. Awesome. And we will connect our Google Analytics to actual new GA property. So CEO GA property. And that's done. So how to integrate right now this new Google for Properties, Google Analytics for Properties with your website or with your Google Tag Manager. There's a lot of problems because it's a new dashboard. You don't know where's what located. So let's go first and click Tag Installation. So you can install this tag onto your Google Tag Manager, or you can go to your website. So here's a connected tag. You can use Google Tag Manager, as I said. And also you can go to your website and install new URL. To find this URL, you need to go again to Setup Assistant, then go to Enhanced Measurement, I believe, over here. Nope, not here. Going back, Setup Assistance, Properties and Settings. Oh, don't forget to go through the setting and acknowledge about data collection. So make it this over here. Get started, continue, activate. So it will collect all of the data from the platforms, settings. You can link right away your Google Ad account. We will do this right now. We have a lot of Google Ads accounts over here. Okay, we will use this account. Confirm, next, submit. So right now we link our Google Ads. So the next one will be how to install this code to our website. So let's go to, one is audiences, click admin, property settings. You can copy this property ID, or you can use again, go to Setup Assistant, Tag Installation, click your website, and then click Global Site Tag, and here's actual ID, actual JavaScript, which you need to insert in the header. Again, you go back to your website and insert this code to the header. If you don't know how to find this code, again, if you have problems, I will attach this JavaScript below this video. You can switch to your ID, which is this one, and insert to your website. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.